Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Designs. I went to pick up my mail Friday and this was at my mailbox and I had to look at it, make sure it was even mine because I canceled this subscription. So I have literally only cut the tape. We're going to open it together and see what's going on. And I'm not sure I can get it past the camera. Okay, there we go. Because I even went back and checked my records. I was not charged for it. I'm going to have to call them. Oh, goodness, Maria Shriver. Oh, sorry, you guys are getting the dark. Okay, let me just push it over here to the side, and I'll pull everything out for y'all. I just love showing y'all how beautiful these boxes are, and I even had just been telling one of my kiddos, gosh, I really miss that FabFitFun, but, you know, we're cutting back. So, anyways, I'm not really sure how this ended up coming to me, unless they're sending it as a, like, a review for the channel. So, sorry, I always wipe things down because our post office puts everything on the floor. Sorry. So, and we live in a cow town with all kinds of stuff going on in it. So, here's the little magazine this week, and this is the Winter FabFitFun, and it looks like it's about Maria Shriver, the most important thing in a woman's life. So, that should be interesting. Okay, let's see here. So, saved this for you. Huh. Okay. Oh, you know what I bet they're doing? They may be sending it to me to get me to come back. I don't know. Have any of y'all had this happen? I don't know. Okay, let's see what's going on. Okay, well, the first thing I see is this really darling little Adore necklace. I guess it has crystals from Swarovski, but I don't see any crystals. Maybe it flips over. No, it's taped down. Anyways, it's really pretty, kind of a rose gold, and you know that'll go in one of my girls' stockings. And then Lashes MD. Eyelash Eyebrow Conditioner. Oh, goodness, yes, I will totally use this. If any of you didn't know this, well, I doubt none of you knew this. So here's a fun fact. When my husband and I met, I had like the Brooke Shields bushy eyebrows all my life. And because I grew up on the coast, they were dark brown. And when I grew up on the coast, my hair would lighten, but my eyebrows don't, of course. Well, when I had surgery in 2009, evidently anesthesia, the fact that I almost died twice, caused me to lose a huge amount of my eyebrows. And so I actually have to use an eyebrow pencil now. And it's very odd and very unusual, and it just is what it is. And I do think that in the process of when they were so sparse, I was plucking, you know, the odd places because it just didn't look right. Well, now they've thinned out. So something like this should be great. Yeah, why not? Let's give it a try. Anything can help these eyebrows. Oh, look at this. This is the original makeup eraser. Erase all makeup with just water. Oh, these are those cloths. Oh my goodness gracious. This is so smart. Okay, that goes in mommy's stocking. Oh, I love that. I have seen these, but just would not spend the money on it. So, wow, I feel guilty. I'm going to have to call them before I get into much more of this, because I want to make sure that this was supposed to really come to me. But it gives me a coupon to come back, so I guess they kind of know what they're doing. I don't know. Okay, guess what? You'll be naked in 1 minute. Okay, original coffee scrub. Oh, okay. Oh, neat. So, lose the pants. You don't need them where we're going. Destination Babetown. Well, there you go. Okay. Pardon me, I don't mean to offend anybody. I'm just reading what it says. Sorry. I guess it's a body scrub, but it's coffee. So, I'll probably give this to my oldest daughter. I think she likes things like this. So, that's really nice. I love body scrubs, but I'm allergic to everything. So, this is Pure Nilotic Melt. LXMI. And there's probably a Roman numeral number for that. And I'm terrible at that. So, let me see. Oh, use as an overnight facial mask or throughout the day where needed. We suggest around eyes, on lips, and dry patches. Hey, okay, well, let me see if I can smell it. I don't want to open it till I call them, so I will call them. It's sealed. But that would be great. I definitely have dry patches, so let's see what's next. Okay, try not to get the white stuff everywhere. Prep Rally, Prime and Prep Detangler. Oh, this is great. I know I'm going to give this to my youngest. If I end up keeping this, I'll give this to my youngest. I'll put that in her stocking. So she has really, really long, dark black, well, brunette, dark hair. It's gorgeous, and when she was little, we would do everything we could to find a detangler for her. So, and then Les says, Cuccio Somatology Yoga. Calm and Clean Epsom Salt Hand Body Wash. Hey, that's pretty neat. I don't know, can we smell it? Let's see. It just smells like soap. So it smells good. So, oh, it's lavender oil. With lavender oil. Ah, that's nice. So, alright. Either I'll keep it or give it to one of my kiddos. And then this is, oh, a scented, Jonathan Adler Fleur de Sel scented candle. Okay, gotta be careful how I open this. I don't want to damage anything. Because again, I may need to send this back. I don't know. I mean, I do get things to preview for the channel, but I can't imagine that they would do that for me because this is usually bigger channels. Oh my gosh, I opened this up and it just smells wonderful. You know what it reminds me of? It reminds me of when I was a little bitty girl and my mom would go to the beauty parlor and the smell of all the hairsprays. And there was this one beauty parlor that she went to forever. And they had these soaps my mom would buy. And I thought they were by Red Kid, these little red soaps. And they smelled so good. This doesn't exactly smell like the soaps, but it smells like that area of the beauty parlor where it had all the, you know, things that have fragrance. That smells amazing. Wow, I really hope I get to keep this. I mean, if I don't, that's fine. We'll be glad. Oh, no. Oh, that was mine. It wasn't this. It was my stuff. It was my little truck. We're okay. And it's fine. Oh, those little trucks, they take a licking, don't they? Ah, goodness gracious. Well, oh, goodness. And I don't know. I mean, if I keep this, I might give this to my daughter-in-law. Her birthday's December 3rd, and they have a new home, and I don't know. I probably should give it to her. That may be what I do. Such a pretty box, too. Okay, I think that has to be it. No, there is more in here? No, that's bubbles. Bubble paper. Okay, and I have spilled it everywhere. But, alright, wanted to make sure I got everything out. Well, so, this is the Winter Fun Fit, Fab Fit Fun box for winter. And again, I'm still not really sure why I ended up getting it, but I will call on Monday and we will find out why. But in the meantime, what a nice surprise. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And that really helps me know if you enjoy these. And also if you guys would like to see more things like this. And then also, it also helps the algorithms for our channel. It helps it to pop up more so it can grow, all of that. Because this channel is all about encouragement, and we would love to be able to pass this on and encourage somebody else. And then leave a comment. I'd love to hear if you guys get this particular subscription box. It comes out 4 times a year. And to be honest, for the cost of what you spend, when you go back and you look at the prices of all these things put together, it takes like 2 or 3 of them and you hit what you would normally, you know, what it would cost. And then the thing is, you're trying new things and you get to go in and hand pick. So like all the previous ones I've ever shared with y'all, I've gone in and I've picked, but it's so far in advance that when I get the box, it's always like a big surprise because I don't remember. So it's really a lovely subscription box. It was really hard for me not to want the subscription box and to let it go. But I really, really enjoy it. And this is like a really nice gift to give somebody. So as we begin into the holiday season, I would honestly say if you have somebody really, really special in your life, like your mom or your sister or your aunt or your grandmother, and you want to give them, or your daughter, and you want to give them something really, really nice, give them this subscription. It's kind of pricey, but I mean, if you're doing the whole year at one time, but I have to say, it's really a blessing. I mean, it is really a nice subscription. And honestly, kind of getting this and not paying for it, I kind of feel like it was a gift. So again, I got to find out what's going on. But if somebody were to give me this subscription, I would be elated. It is so nice. I mean, I may not have picked, I may not have picked the necklace. I may not have picked this. But everything else I have a use for, or can give it to somebody in my life as a gift. So, and that's another great thing about this subscription. You can literally regift it. It is amazing. You know, it comes completely sealed, wrapped, ready to go. So it's really a nice gift option as well. So, all right, friends. Again, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, tells you when new videos come up, and leave a comment and share this video if it would encourage anybody else. All right, my friends, I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. Thank you so, so much for stopping by. Love y'all. Be talking to you soon. Take care.